Ah, sheesh. And you brought munchies too? Damn, what's up, bro? Oof, missed it. Brought the juice I needed to continue my job. Alright, we got the trans underneath. Angel's taking off the bolts for the mount. I don't know if it'd be easier to put it up by hand or put it up with the I don't know. We're gonna try both ways. We'll try the jack first.
This guy thinks I work out and shit.
We'll try the jack first. We'll see.
This guy's fucking crazy. Wants to lift it up from down here. No. Transmission is in, boys.
That shit sucked. Every time, dude. Every time I put the tranny up, always the same fucking issue. It has to go up at a slope. It has to go up like that and then like that.
Hear that for you, Cts-V.
If you got a manual, good luck. We got some pizza coming though. We got some cold modelos in the fridge. We got Zoomy with the Cuban, you know what I'm saying?
Don't bring it, roll it, but
What were you doing all the way over there?
Chill in. Where's my fucking pizza?
Damn, chill. Oh yeah, this is firm now. Oh yeah, it's super firm. Well, thank you, Dad.
Yeah, he needed me.
I can start buttoning everything up and throw the exhaust on, throw the drive shaft on, and we'll see if we can take it out for a spin tonight. Alright, next up, I gotta pump the tranny full of fluid. It takes 4 quarts. We're a little less than that, but I'm gonna try to get the full quarts in there.
Good job.
Oh, bro, I wasn't even recording. Fuck, I paid it. You got lazy ass number 1. We got the lemon over. We got fucking Zoomy. Damn, I wasn't recording right now. It's Angel Street right there, because all he owns is lemons. But the trans is on, drive shaft's on, exhaust is on. We're about to take it out for a rip, huh?
That's right. Roll night.
Well, first you have to get alignment.
Alignment? This guy. They keep telling me I gotta get an alignment. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about. What are you talking about, dog?
Oh no, go get the pizza.
You. Yes.
I've been telling them.
Shit. What are you, the salt man? Like this.
But I'm always right. So I know I'm true. And I know I'm fine. I tell you all.
Putting on the finishing touches. Still got the guy. Just putting on my bumper. And we're gonna lower off the jacks and take it out. I don't have your consent. You dog, you're in my house. Alright, Cardi V's back on the ground. We're about to go take it out for a spin. She needs to get topped off on the 85. Gonna go with the boys. Are you on E?
No.
That's tough. What about you? Are you on E? Mm-hmm. Ecstasy, huh? Alright, let's go. This is Cardi V's first drive in 2 months. We're gonna pull it out of the driveway and go take it out for a test drive. Let's go.
Cts-V gas station? Say, let's say
16.5.
License, registration, insurance, stuff before you sleep.
How's it going, sir? Recording just so you guys know.
so are we.
Alright.
Pay attention how fast you're going?
What was that?
Paying attention how fast you're going?
Yes, I was.
Let me see your registration, insurance.
Not bad. I got the insurance on my phone.
Let me just see it. You in a hurry?
No, I'm just trying to get home.
Where you live?
Norwalk?
Why is your car registered in Arizona?
I just moved back.
Any alcohol drink today?
No.
With Geico?
Yes.
Open up your door real quick.
Alrighty. I wasn't going that fast. I was going 77 miles an hour. Okay, I guess that's
Probably speeding. Probably didn't see. You're probably barely coming in. I told you we were ready. Trying to test out parts, officer.
Huh?
We're just testing it out, officer.
Yeah.
Luckily, you're still down to 80. That's what I paced you at. Alright, so just need your signature in the red box. Sign a red box. Not admitting guilt. It's fine. So you can take care of the ticket.
I just have my lawyer take care of it.
Is that?
So I'll just have my lawyer take care of it.
Yep. The main light, you're going to make a right, and then you'll see it on your right hand side. Okay? Slow down.
That food pesto? Pesto?
We didn't see him.
I didn't see shit.
I thought that shit was clear.
Yeah, you're not allowed to leave the house no more. Fuck that.
Bye. You're waiting for us? They're busting another ticket.
Shut up.
That's why he's waiting for you.
Come on! Another pull.
No. I just want to go
Let me
home.
say he's down the street. I don't know where though, but
How do I go home? Take a right, you said? Oh, yeah. I know where I'm at.
Yeah, you're home.